How to fix Rave app lag. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Rave application lagging issue. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Rave application on your mobile device. For that, you have to go to Play Store and then simply search for Rave application. Once you find it, click on it, and if you see an update button instead of open button, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now go to settings. Scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply scroll down and search for Rave, or you can simply use the search button at the top. Find Rave, simply go to storage and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But this includes all the files, settings, accounts and databases, so you have to make sure about that. Now come back and force stop this application. Once it's done, go to battery settings and then make sure that it is set to optimized. Also enable the app permissions and then come back and try uninstalling the Rave application from your device. And after it has been uninstalled, simply go to Play Store and install it again in your mobile. Now finally, restart the application or restart your entire system and then you're done. This is how you can actually fix the Rave application lag problem. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.